Hey everybody, welcome to our Facebook page. Look at this watermelon fan. Let's make it. Take a craft paper. We are taking a red craft paper and paste green strips around it. Now draw its seeds like this. Now fold it and tie it using a thread like this in the center. Now make green sticks and paste it. We are also making these circles of watermelon and paste it on it like this. Look how we are doing and it's ready. Look at this watermelon piece. Let's make it. We are going to fold a green craft paper and make a triangular shape like this. Now open it gently and you will get a square shape, and now start folding it from its corners like this and tuck it inside these mini triangular shapes, and do the same from other side as well. Now we are going to fold the other part in a different way and do the same from other portion like this, the opposite one. Now we are going to open it and look, you will get a shape like this. After this, we are going to start folding the yellow craft paper. We are making the fruit here and then fold it like this and do the same from other side as well. Now open it. We are going to tuck all the corners inside like this, and look, you will get a shape at the end. Then we are going to fold it into half, flip it, and again do the same from other side as well. After this, we are going to draw seeds on the fruit using black marker and put all of them together, and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share with your friends.